Hello and welcome to Golden Studios, and today I'll be showing you how to create a lever like this. You can see it's just in the idle position and the lever moves every so often and the light is red. But if I move up to it and I press E, then it moves me to the correct location and rotation, and then it plays the animation on the character as well as the lever, pulling the lever down at the same time, and then turns the light green. The first thing we want to do is go to the assets, and then we just want to right click on any of these and click show and explore, and then you want to click the link in the description for the Google Drive download, and you'll be able to download this file. And inside we're first going to get the lever, and it's just the U assets, so we can just go ahead and take this and drag it in here. And now if you come back, you can see now it's right here. And then next we want to go to the blueprints, and then we want to do the same thing and right click, show and explore. So there we go. And then we want to close out of this assets that we just opened up and go back to the downloaded folder. And then we want to get lever BP and then drag this, and then it'll copy it to the blueprints, and now you can see it's in here. And this one, the lever build, we don't need to worry about it right now. That'll be for the next tutorial. And what that is instead of just going straight for this, we have the Lego blocks that move around. So just like that, and then once it's done building, it's the exact same. And we'll do that in the next tutorial. Alright, so, and then I'm just going to drag this into here, and right now you can see that it's empty, and we'll fix that in a second. The next thing we want to do is go back to content, and then sound effects, and then we already have the building. However, if you don't have that, it will be in the downloaded folder, building. You just do the same thing, right click, show and explore, and then drag it in here. I already have it though, so I'm just going to keep it there. The new thing that we are going to do is the lever sound, so we're going to drag that into there, and that's this when we pull the lever. And then next we're going to import the character animation, so we want to go to the characters and then Lego guy animations, and then I created a locomotion folder, and you just want to right click and create new and then call it locomotion. In this one we're going to right click and import, and I'm going to go to the folder that I downloaded it in and then character animation, and then I'm going to select the build FBX. Then I'll open that up, and in the skeleton I want to get the Lego guy skeleton, and so then I'll import all of that. So if you open it up, you'll probably notice that the animation is going to be cutting through your hair or helmet or something like that, and the way to fix that is to edit the animation. So we'll want to make sure it's paused and at the beginning, and then you'll want to come down here, click on the skeleton tree, and then go down to Spino 5, and then click W or come up here to the translate button, and then you'll want to move this up or rotate or move it in whichever way you need to put it in the correct position, and then press key, and then that'll key the animation and it'll stay like that. And then we'll just save that and close it. Next we can right click on that and then create a montage, because we'll need it to be a montage for when we call it inside of the blueprints. And with the level BP selected, I'm going to do Control B, and that'll take us right to blueprints lever BP right here. And so we'll just open that up and get started with fixing the things that are wrong with it. So we have the base right here, and we have the mesh. We just need to import everything. So I'm going to type in lever, and then in the anim class I'll type in lever and then compile, and you can see that there's no materials, so we're going to have to go in and fix that. So if you click browse to asset, we'll be able to open it up, and currently it has no valid skeleton, so we'll need to select one. Alright, so with that open, the materials that we're going to want to put in here, they will all be in here. So the first one is gray 02, that'll go right there, and then we want gray 01, and then we want emissive red, and then gray 03, and then orange 01. So just like that. Alright, now just fix this so that the metal texture is already in the folder. So hopefully when you import it, you won't have these errors, but if you do, you'll just want to open up all of these that look gray, and then take this metal, and you'll just want to click on the texture and then click on the arrow to put the metal texture back in there. And then just make sure you apply all of them. And then also come down here and click Save Selected. Alright, so now that looks more like how it should. The lever animation isn't working. This should be moving. So we'll go in here, and it's probably because we had to also reassign a new skeleton because this one is invalid. So we'll have to click on this and then click yes. And then we'll want to go down to the lever mesh skeleton 01 and click OK. And we'll just have to do that for all of the rest of them. And make sure that you're clicking the skeleton 1. And just delete the montages because those didn't export properly. So just go to each of these, the interact idle, and then create anim montage. And then the interact lever, create anim montage. And then open up the lever anim BP. And then you'll probably get some errors. So you'll want to go to the event graph and then the anim graph. And here is where the idle should be. So I'll delete that and then come grab this and then drag in the idle animation. And then you'll want to click on this and make sure you click loop animation. Otherwise it'll only do it one time. So now back in here, you can see that it's working. Next we want to go over here to graphs and click on the event graph. And then there's just a few things that we need to make sure are working. So if you come along on event interact, for the play anim montage, we also want to go back and import the other animation. So if we go to characters, Lego guy, animations, locomotion, we have the build, but we also want to import the pull lever that I just remembered needed to be in there. And so that we can scroll down and click on the Lego guy skeleton. And then the same thing's happening with the hair on this one. So then we'll want to go to the skeleton tree, make sure it's paused. And at the beginning, go to spine 05, make sure you're in translate mode, and put it in the correct position. And then click key. And then you'll want to right click, create anim montage. And with this selected, go into the lever BP and click the arrow. So right now we're getting the player character and then playing an anim montage off of that. So whatever the character is, that's the animation it's going to be playing from. And then with the lever mesh, we want to get the interact lever montage, and that's the one that pulls the lever down. And then the play sound, we want to type in lever and get SW lever. And then for the material, I'm going to type in green, and I'm going to do the emissive green. And then that should be all for now in the lever BP. And then also one more thing, make sure in the class settings for the interface, make sure that the interact interface is here. Otherwise, if it's not, you'll need to add the interact interface. And then the last thing we want to do is go to the assets lever, and then over here in the interact lever montage, we want to open that up and untick enable auto blend out, and that'll make sure it just stays down after it ends the animation. Alright, well that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll be creating the Lego building mechanic where we can build the lever, and then right after we can pull the lever just like the other one. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.